Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I am Gul. Welcome to Gul's Kitchen. As summer holidays has been started, so we bring tasty snacks recipes for you. Today's snack is pizza bread slice. Now let's start. Take some bread slices. Now we will cut some capsicum and tomato slices, some cheese slices, chili flakes and tomato sauce, pepperonis and olives. Oh, the bread slice is sleeping. Wake up, we have to start. Now we will toast these slices on the stove and take a pan. Toast the slices until it gets golden. Take them out and put in plate. Wait till it gets some normal. Spread tomato sauce. Now we will add vegetables.
Hey Gul, why are you not putting me?
Maybe I don't like you as much, but most of kids will like you. So okay, we will add onion too. Now happy. Now we will add sliced vegetables and pepperoni as toppings. Beautiful. Now we will put some cheese. And here we go. We will put it in oven to get the cheese melted. Waiting. I'm very excited. Wait. MashaAllah, beautiful. Our yummy snack is ready. Now we can have our pizza bread slices. So friends, try it and enjoy yummy snack. Stay tuned for more snacks recipes. Hope so you will like that. Take care. Bye bye.